Hey guys, so to get started you need a A5 paper or you can use A4. I'm using A5 and I have folded into half. So now you need a leaf. Any leaf would work good, and make sure you place it over a newspaper or a waste paper so that you avoid getting your table dirty. And then I'm going to use these brush pens from Camlin and I'm going to just color the leaf. You can use any shade, but I would prefer using light shades because they appear more eye-catching and attractive, I would say. So yeah. And yes, if you don't have brush pens, you can use sketch pens as well, but make sure you create a thick layer of color over the leaf while coloring it. Make sure to get your fingers clean before imprinting the leaf on the card, or you will end up getting your card dirty with unwanted prints. Now place the leaf wherever you want. I'm placing it in the center and gently just tap over the leaf. Now slowly and gently remove your leaf from the card, and here you have got the print. Now you can decorate it. I am going to write thank you with my black pen, and I'm going to add some stars and color them yellow. And now a quick little card is all ready, and it's looking very cute, simple, and you can give it to anyone you like. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will try this one too. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.